Alright, so after creating our notifications here, let's now go ahead and customize and design our notifications so we can see how they'll look like. So right here, go back to the code. In here, open notifications, this blade. Let's just start adding a few CSS. So here in the top class, add width full and a padding of like 3. In here, let's put this notification, just cut that in an H3. Put that. Alright, and down here, we're going to have a main class. In this main, let's just add a few classes too. I'm going to say margin Y7 and a width of 4. Right, inside here, we're going to have a div that says space Y5. Right, in here, that's when now we're going to have our different kind of notifications. So for example, let's say new follower. In here, let's have a div.grid. Alright, so now we can just copy this like 3 times. Right here, 1, 2. So here, the first one is going to be new follower. Next one is going to be something like post liked notification. This one, new comment. Let's go ahead and first work with our new follower. In here, we're going to have an A tag link here. Let's say call pan2. Alright, here let's just add a hash. Right, inside this A, we're going to have an X avatar. For this, we can just simply save up our time and go to our, let's say item, post item, go to the header. Let's copy this avatar. Alright, close that. Let's paste this avatar here. I can just change this width to like 10 and 10. In here for the face, let's just add hyphen to open bracket here, random from 0 to 10. So you can have different kind of avatars in this picture. And here just add one more thing, send wire, ignore. Right, after this avatar here, let's add div dot cospan7, say font medium. Inside you're gonna have another A link tag, add a hash. This is going to, let's just say strong. Let's embrace HTML. You can just say fake name started following you. And after this started following, you just add the span, the text, gray 400. You can say 2 days ago. Here, one last one on the left, on the right rather. Let's add div dot cospan3. Here, let's add a button. We're gonna have 2 buttons here for follow and unfollow. So let's go ahead and just design this real quick. Here, rounded large. This is going to be following. Alright, let's just make this text black with an opacity of 90%. And here for this button, which is going to be the same almost, let's just copy this, paste it up there. Let's just change a few CSS for this. So here, if it's follow, it's going to be something more highlighted, like blue. The background is going to be blue 500, and the text is going to be white. Yeah, so let's just comment one of these out. Now if you go here, let's go ahead and check out how it's looking. Awesome. Now you see Professor something something started following you, and I'm already following this guy. And if I am not, here, let's uncomment this and comment this. Actually, here it's supposed to be follow on top. Now if you go, you see it's follow button here. So now it's looking fine. Now let's go ahead and design our next 2 notifications. So here in the post liked, in here it's going to be something similar. Okay, here let's just create 2 A links. Here A, cospan2. Alright, here let's just copy this one more time. In the end, let's add cospan3 here and ML auto. I'm gonna push it to the right. Alright, so in here in the middle, we're gonna have a div here called span7 font medium. Right. In here, we're gonna have an avatar just like here. Let's go ahead and copy this. There, avatar. And then in here, we're gonna have, we can just copy this from the top, put it down here. I'm gonna paste one more time. Here, let's just remove that inside. Okay, so you're gonna say liked your post. And here's going to be span dot text gray 400 2 days. Here in the end, here in the code span 3, we're going to have an image element. You can just say height 11, width 10, the object cover. Here in the source, well, we can copy this same kind of class right here, and then let's paste it in the source here. Here, let's change this search query to something like nature. All right, now if we go back, let's check out how it's looking like. Awesome. Here, this guy liked your post, and the post is right here, and here we have a link to the post. That's why I added many different links here. This should be a link to the user, link to the user, link to the post. So let's just follow this. Let's just create one last one. Here, new comment notification. For the comment, it's going to be fairly simple. We can simply copy the contents of this post like right here. Copy this post like the contents, paste them in here. It's going to be blah 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 liked your comment. Actually, it's going to be commented. And then down here, it's going to be lorem. The comment, we're going to put it here. This is too long, let's make it short. All right, so it's going to be this guy commented on your post, yada yada. This one, okay, that's much better. All right, so now if you go, you see, awesome. Now you can see here I have started following you, liked your post, commented. You can add more, but for now, let's just work with these 3. I think you get the gist right now. You can work on more if you want to. Okay, so that's it for this video. We've designed this, and let's go ahead and start working on these notifications, make them dynamic.